Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can basically save more battery on your iPhone. So to do that, what I like to do is I like to just turn on airplane mode here, and I also like to turn down the brightness of my phone screen as well. And those are just some things that you can do to save battery on your phone. Also, you can also go to camera as well, I think, and like adjust these settings, but I mostly just do that to save battery, and I just turn it off as well. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Goodbye.